What if people could book and pay for your coaching call automatically? No emailing back and forth, no DMs, no manual invoices. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to sell a coaching call using Systeme.io, even if you're a complete beginner. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description, which will allow you to sign up and follow along for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. The first thing you're going to do is create your product. So since we're selling coaching call, what you'll need to do is hover over CRM right here, and you're going to see the option calendar. You're going to tap on calendar. Then you're going to select create new event. After you have done that, you're going to tap on confirm. And from here, you can name your event. So for example, I'll just call it coaching call. So you can type in whatever the service name that you're offering. Then you're going to scroll down. From here you can add in the location, whether that be online meeting, phone, or in person. So I'm going to be selecting online meeting, and I'm just going to select Google Meet. Then we'll tap on save. By the way, to add in Google Meet or to add in different integrations, all you need to do is go over to the top right hand corner. From there we could open settings. After opening settings, you'll go over to the left hand menu option. From the left hand menu option, you're just going to scroll down and you'll see the option integrations. You're going to select that, and you can connect your Google Meet account, you can connect your Zoom account. You have different options, as you can see right there. Once you have connected any one of those options, you can select it. After selecting online meeting, this is where you'll be able to put in your picture. You can also select the event duration, and you can also add in your logo and a quick description of the service that you're offering. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can see other settings that you can set up yourself depending on the service you offer, and then you can add in the availability. So for example, let's say we'll be available Monday and we'll kick things off at 9 a.m. So we'll select 9 a.m. right here, and that will be until, let's say for example, 4:30 p.m. and you can add in the different days going right down, and if it is a case that you won't be available on a specific day, you can add that in also. Once you're finished doing this, you're just going to tap on save and preview in the top right hand corner, and you can see how it looks. So right there we have added our service. After adding the service, the next thing you need to do is add the payment method. To add the payment method, once more you're going to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to select payment gateways, and you can choose to connect your Stripe, PayPal, or whichever one of these payment options. After you have connected the payment option, the next thing you'll do is hover over sites from the top navigation bar, and you're going to select sales funnel. After selecting sales funnel, I'm just going to be deleting this sample funnel right here. So I'll delete it real quick. Once you have selected sales funnel, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on create. Then you're going to give the funnel a name. So I'm just going to call it call. Then you're going to tap on sell, and you can choose the currency that you want. Depending on the country most of your subscribers or so on will be in. Then you'll tap on the name of the funnel. After you have done that, the first thing you'll need to create is the landing page. So you're going to tap on add step, and we'll just call this landing. And we're going to select sales page, then tap on save. After doing that, you can see different templates that you can choose from. You can choose whichever one of these templates best suits you. So for example, let's say I were to select this template. After selecting the template, you can edit the URL. Then you're going to tap on edit page. Once you have selected edit page, you'll be able to customize the landing page to your liking by selecting whichever section. And you can also go over to the left hand menu option and you can see different elements. What I want you to pay attention to next is the button option. You're going to select the button, and you want to ensure that you go over to the left hand menu option, select right where you see open URL. You're going to tap on next step URL. You want to ensure that you have selected that. Then you're going to tap on save, and you're going to select exit. After doing that, you'll next need to edit your order page. So you want to pull the landing page to the top, then select order form, and you have different templates again that you can choose from. I'm going to be selecting this template, so I'll tap on select, then we'll tap on edit page, and I'm going to change the product image. So we could change the product image by simply selecting the image that is currently there, going over to the left hand menu option, tapping on upload. Then you could tap on click to upload and you could upload an image. Let's say I were to upload this image for example's sake. Then you can also edit the price by tapping on the price that is currently there. And you can also edit the star ratings and so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. Then you'll select exit. Then I want you to scroll down while you're still on the order form. You're going to scroll down and you're going to be selecting digital product. Once you have selected digital product, you're going to tap on the plus in line with digital product and you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to be calling it coaching call. Then you'll tap right where you see the plus in line with resources and you're just going to tap right there and you're going to select calendar events. Then you'll select coaching call or whatever you had called it earlier. Then you're going to tap on the plus in line with price plans and you're going to select subscription, or if it is a one-time payment you can do that. Then you're going to tap right where you see choose an existing plan. You're going to tap on create a new one. Then you can give it a name, so I'm going to call it coaching call. And we're going to type in coaching right here once more. Then you can choose what you'd like to show up on their statement. So I'm going to type in coaching call. And we're going to change the price plan to subscription. Then from there, if you want to offer a trial period, you can do that. Then you can scroll down and you can put in the amount that the customers will pay. And you can choose the subscription period, whether that be every year, every month, every week, every day. You can select that. So I'll say each month. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save. So I'll say once every month. Then we'll tap on save. And you can see right there that it has been added. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is set up your thank you page. So this will be the final page that they'll see. So you can select whichever one of these templates again you like. So for example, I'll just select this one. And you can edit it also. So we have 3 pages: the landing page, order page, and thank you page. After setting up the pages, what you're going to do next, you're going to automate some emails. So this basically means that you'll be able to set up emails that they'll receive once they have paid and signed up. To do this, you're going to hover over emails from the top navigation bar and you're just going to tap on campaigns. After you have tapped on campaigns, I'm going to be deleting this sample campaign right here. From here, you're just going to select create in the top right hand corner. Then you can give the campaign a name. So I'll call it coaching since it is related to the coaching call. You can select the email address. If you don't have an email address as yet, I would recommend that you purchase a professional email address. Then you're just going to tap on save. Then you'll select coaching and you're going to tap on create in the top right hand corner and you're going to create your first email. So we'll call it welcome email. Then we'll scroll down and we're going to tap on save and you can edit the welcome email. So this will be the first email that they'll receive. So you can edit it right there. Then you'll tap on save changes in the top right hand corner. Then select exit. Then you're just going to tap on save or test and you could test it and it will automatically send the email to you. Or you can tap on save and publish once it is okay. Then you'll select activate. After doing that, you'll select exit. Then we're going to be creating our second email. If you like to send a follow-up email, you can do that by tapping on create. We could type in second. Then we'll tap on save. And again, you can edit it. Then you'll tap on save changes. Then we'll select exit. And we're just going to be selecting save and publish. And this will be sent right after the welcome email. So it will be sent the other day. And we'll select activate. And you can set up a chain of emails to be sent. So this will be the first day, this will be the second day. Now it is time to automate them. So this is how you'll be able to set it up so that once someone subscribes or purchases, better yet your coaching call, they automatically receive the email. To set up this automation, you're going to hover over automations. Then you're going to select rules. Then you're just going to tap on create in the top right hand corner and you'll select trigger. Once you have selected trigger, you're going to see funnel step from subscribe. Then you'll choose and you're going to select call and the funnel step will be the thank you page. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on action and you'll select subscribe to campaign. Select the campaign that you have created, then you're going to tap on Save Rule. And that's it. I've shown you how to create a coaching call product, how to set up a subscription on Systeme.io, and also how to send an automated email once they have purchased it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And thanks.